This is a talks question. We've got a cantilever roof, so this is the roof here, and it has a mass of 12,000 kgs attached by the securing bolt here, and it's supported here. Alright, so if we're going to put the 12,000 kgs and we want to say what's the force of gravity on that, it's 12,000 times 10. So the force of gravity on it is 120,000 newtons. If I was to draw an arrow for that force of gravity, it always goes in the middle of the structure. So the middle of the structure, the whole thing's 60 meters long. It's 40 plus 20. So halfway is 30, is where we put the 12,000, 120,000 newtons downwards. Alright, I haven't even started answering the question yet, I've just drawn on what I know. Which of the following is the best estimate of the magnitude of the force that the support exerts on the roof? So they want to know, what's this force up here? To do that, I choose the other thing to be, the other unknown, which is the force on the securing bolt, to be my centre of rotation. Centre of rotation. So I've chosen that to be my centre of rotation. And I'm going to work out the torques around that centre of rotation. So because it's not rotating, the clockwise torques around that equal the anti-clockwise torques around that. And remember, torque equals F times R. We don't have to worry about any angles today, so there's no sine theta. So if we think about this rotating around here, this thing's trying to pull it down in the anti-clockwise direction. So our F times R on this side, and our F times R on this side. Let's do the anti-clockwise, it's easiest first. There's 120,000 Newton force, and the distance, it's not 40 meters, it's not 10 meters, it's the distance from here to the center of rotation, which is 30 meters. And that equals the force upwards, trying to rotate it back clockwise around here. So this is anti-clockwise around that center of rotation, this is clockwise around that center of rotation. The support's trying to rotate it clockwise, and it cancels out the weight force, and the support is 20 meters. So now we've just got to solve for F. So F equals this times 30 divided by 20, do that, you get 180,000 newtons. Alright, which of the following is the best estimate of the force which the anchor structure is pulling downwards on the cantilever roof? So if you actually say, what we've actually worked out now is that this is 180,000. I'm going to draw it again so we can see. We've got a downwards force of 120,000. We've got an upwards force from that support of 180,000. It's not moving, so the total force on it must be 0. So there has to be another downwards force here, so that it cancels out this 180,000 upwards. 180,000 upwards is 120,000 downwards, and there must be another 60,000 downwards. So that's 180 down, 180 up. So 60,000.